Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to charge your Samsung Galaxy A15 and share information about the battery life. In order to charge it, first of all, in your box with a phone, you'll find a Type-C cable, but with no adapter. So make sure to use compatible adapter. Let's take our cable. So in order to charge it, simply find your charging port at the bottom of your phone. Here it is. Plug in your cable, something like that. Now take your adapter, plug in the second side of it, and here we go. Now your phone is charging. Also, you can connect your phone to your computer or laptop using the USB Type-C cable. This will also work as well. If you have another phone with Type-C, you can charge the Galaxy A15 simply from it. So grab your other device, plug in your USB cable, plug in the second part of it, and now as we see, our phone is charging. This is a really cool feature that can help sometime. So now let's talk about the battery life. The battery capacity is 5,000 mAh. Internet is LTE or Wi-Fi is up to 19 hours. Video playback can be used up to 21 hours non-stop. Audio playback is up to 106 hours. That's a lot. Talk time via 4G LTE up to 44 hours. I tested the charging time and the results are you can get for 15 minutes of charge you can get 25%. For 30 minutes of charge you're getting 47%, and full charge takes 81 minutes. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.